Hi, and welcome to Immigration Talks, being hosted by the law firm of Russo and Blissett. I'm Sherry Barrett, and I'm here with attorney Anokye S.
Hi, how are you?
So today we want to discuss hot topics. First thing on the agenda is the Haitian Reunification Parole Program. That is quite a mouthful.
Indeed it is. Yes, so the Haitian Reunification Parole Program is being implemented to help lessen the number of Haitian nationals who are trying to escape the turmoil in Haiti. What it's supposed to do is speed up the visa numbers by 2 years. So in essence, the National Visa Center will be contacting the beneficiaries to apply for this program, and upon approval, then your number will be increased by 2 years, will decrease by 2 years. In terms of how it will work procedurally, they're still working out the kinks, so we're hoping to hear back more on that in a few months, because I know they wanted to start it towards the beginning of next year.
Okay, great. So our second hot topic is President Obama's immigration reform. The Senate and everyone else is saying that he can't go out on his own on this. Mm-hmm. So, how is this going to affect our people?
Yes. So recently, President Obama gave another executive order regarding immigration, which is great. What it will hope to do, it's big. It's a big executive order, but there are 8 big points, or a few big points on it that I'd like to touch on. The biggest one is that he's going to continue his enforcement of the borders, as well as the criminals, the non-American criminals, whether they need to go through the deportation process, and if you have a waiver or any other type of relief, then you're forgiven. If not, then you are subject to deportation. The second one is he's going to expand on the Deferred Action Program, which he implemented in June of 2012. There, he is going to remove the age cap. One of the requirements of that Deferred Action Program was that you could not be over the age of 31 as of June 15th, 2012. So there were a lot of people who were still unable to obtain the work authorization card from immigration. So he is removing the age cap. The other idea for the change in the DACA program is to change the continuous presence from June 2007 to January 1st, 2010. So what we had to do for our Dreamer applicants was prove that they were here every year from June 2007 to the current. So now he moved that forward. You only have to prove that you were here from January 2010. Another big point he had is to allow parents of residents, lawful permanent residents, as well as U.S. citizens to apply for the work authorization card. If you can prove that you were continually present from January 2010, you have paid your back taxes, and you have no major criminal convictions. So that's also going to open the doors, let's say, for many, many people. The work authorization cards would be given for 3 years, as opposed to now the Dreamers have only 2 years. So now everyone, the renewals and the new applicants, will get 3 years work authorization cards, and then with the card you can go ahead and apply for your Social Security card and then obtain like a state driver's license or a state ID, which is very good. So we're hoping to hear more about that soon. I'm sure they're still working out the procedures, and we all know that Congress is up in arms about this, so he has to go through all the pending lawsuits with the different states, attorney generals. It's going to be a whirlwind in the next couple of months, to say the least. Another big point that he is also doing is he's changing the Secure Communities program, which was implemented. He's going to repeal it. What that did was that there was it's a joint program with the state and local precincts, as well as the federal government, basically to transfer any criminals from the states to the federal government for immigration prosecution. So that is being repealed. And it's nice to also see that Mayor Bill de Blasio here in New York City also is repealing our version of the Secure Communities here, which is great.
Okay, great. Thank you for that good information. Don't forget to call our office at 718-849-6900 to make an appointment with us. Mention that you saw us in the Maxine Tullo Show for your free consultation. Again, that number is 718-849-6900. Thank you for having me.